So when you are usually making chocolate chip cookies, you need access to a lot of ingredients like these, but I'm gonna show you an easy way to make a cookie dough with just eggs, cake mix, chips, and oil that I hope will help you out. All right, so first, you're gonna wanna fill a bowl with a box of cake mix like so. And next you're gonna wanna crack 2 eggs. And then add half a cup of oil. And 1 cup of chocolate chips, or you could even use sprinkles if you wanted, it would work just as good. And then after a little bit of mixing, you'll make yourself a good amount of cookie dough, and you'll throw it in the oven at about 350 or however you do normal cookies, and you'll be ready to go.